Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Good. My name is Gayatri, English teacher of Dr. Besant School. Today we are going to do our third standard English subject. So, children, are you all ready with your English notebooks? Okay. Today let us do meanings and vocabulary part. Right? So, open your notebooks and note down these meanings, children, whatever I give you on the board. Note down the meanings. Put heading FA1 revision. FA1 revision. Today's date here. Roman number 3 meanings. Amazing. I want you all to read along with me and write. Very great. Amazing. Very great. Nook. Corner. Nook. Corner. Presently. Now. Presently. Now. Trout. The name of a fish. Trout. The name of a fish. Husk. Outer cover of a fruit. Husk. Outer cover of a fruit. World. Turned around. World. Turned around. Okay? Helmet. A hard hat. A hard hat to protect one's head. Helmet. A hard hat to protect one's head. Write down fastly, children. Write slowly, neatly. Write down fast. Note down fast. 3 more meanings are there. I will give you after if you finish this. See, children, if the time which I am giving you is not sufficient, just pause the video and write, children. It would be easy for you to write. Okay? Completed? Now once fold your hands, we'll read, then I'll rub the board. Fold your hands, children. Amazing. Very great. Amazing. Very great. Amazing. Very great. Nook. Corner. Nook. Corner. Nook. Corner. Presently. Now. Presently. Now. Presently. Now. Trout. The name of a fish. Trout. The name of a fish. Trout. The name of a fish. Husk. Outer cover of a fruit. Husk. Outer cover of a fruit. Husk. Outer cover of a fruit. World. Turned around. World. Turned around. World. Turned around. Helmet. A hard hat to protect one's head. Helmet. A hard hat to protect one's head. Helmet. A hard hat to protect one's head. Right? Now I'll rub the board and I'll give you the balance 3 meanings. Seven completed, no? Eighth one now. Ingredients. Items used to prepare a dish. Ingredients. Items used to prepare a dish. Hook. A curved metal piece. Hook. A curved metal piece. Started. A movement. Started. A movement. Write children fastly. Sorry, write children fast. You can pause the video and copy. Okay? Completed? Okay, let's read once. Ingredients. Items used to prepare a dish. Ingredients. Items used to prepare a dish. Ingredients. Items used to prepare a dish. Hook. A curved metal piece. Hook. A curved metal piece. Hook. A curved metal piece. Started. A movement. Started. A movement. Started. A movement. Okay, now let me rub the board. Now, animals and their young ones. Fourth round. And their young ones. Means I'll give you the name of an animal. You should write the baby animal. What we call that baby? Suppose duck. What we call a baby duck? Yes, duckling. Like this you need to write. Duck. Read and write along with me, children. Duck. Duckling. Pig. Piglet. Pig. Piglet. Deer. Fawn. Deer. Fawn. Goose. Gooseling. Goose. Gooseling. Sheep. Lamb. Sheep. Lamb. Frog. Tadpole. Frog. Tadpole. Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Cat. Kitten. Cat. Kitten. Kangaroo. Joy. Kangaroo. Joy. Lion. Cub. Lion. Cub. Cow. Calf. Cow. Calf. Goat. Kid. Goat. Kid. Write down, children. Note down, children, then we'll read. Slowly write, don't keep any incompletes because these you have to prepare for the exam. Okay? Write slowly, neatly, children. Completed? Completed, children. Shall I rub the board now? No, not rubbing. We'll read now. Fold your hands. Look at the board. Fold your hands and look at the board, children. Yes. Duck. Duckling. Duck. Duckling. Duck. Duckling. Pig. Piglet. Pig. Piglet. Pig. Piglet. Deer. Fawn. Deer. Fawn. Deer. Fawn. Goose. Gooseling. Goose. Gooseling. Goose. Gooseling. Sheep. Lamb. Sheep. Lamb. Sheep. Lamb. Frog. Tadpole. Frog. Tadpole. Frog. Tadpole. Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Cat. Kitten. Cat. Kitten. Cat. Kitten. Kangaroo. Joy. Kangaroo. Joy. Kangaroo. Joy. Lion. Cub. Lion. Cub. Lion. Cub. Cow. Calf. Cow. Calf. Cow. Calf. Goat. Kid. Goat. Kid. Goat. Kid. Check, children, if anything left, you just finish it off. Completed? Right, children? That's all for today, and from today's revision you may get 5 to 6 marks in your exam paper. After finishing the class, both the classes, you just read, go through meanings and these animals, the young ones' names, enough for your exam paper, whatever you prepared today. Right? Be ready with your notebook for tomorrow's class also. I'll be back again with new revision topic. Take care. Bye-bye.